Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video and tutorial. I hope you're doing great. Today I'm back with another fun and easy tutorial. This is the corner to corner single crochet rectangle. So in the recent past we did the corner to corner single crochet square and one of the audience suggested that I do this rectangle single crochet corner to corner. So here it is. Very easy and fun project to make. Again, this is good for a blanket or any project of your choice. So before I go any further with the tutorial, some explanation is required. So this rectangle is done in 3 different steps, which are as easy as the previous tutorials. So we'll start constructing the triangle. So the triangle, you make it as big as you want for whichever project you like. And then you're gonna shape it as a rectangle, and the number of rows for the rectangle shape is the same number of rows for the triangle, and then closing off to shape it into a rectangle, which is closing off into a triangle again. So triangle, rectangle, triangle, and again closing off the triangle at the end is the same number as the previous ones. Let's say, for example, I did 8 rows of triangle. I will shape it into the second shape for the rectangle, 8 rows, and then 8 rows of closing off, so total of 24 rows. And I'm gonna show you now how to make it. I'm using medium worsted yarn and 5.5 millimeter crochet hook. So I'll start with a slip knot, and I'm gonna chain 2. 2 single crochet in the second chain from the hook. Chain 1, 2 single crochet in the first stitch, 2 single crochet in the last stitch, chain 1. So the triangle we're expanding it from both sides, the beginning and end. So 2 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches, 2 single crochet in the last stitch. Next row, chain 1, 2 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 single crochet in the following stitches, and 2 single crochet in the last stitch. So that's how you're gonna continue till the length you want for your rectangle. So 2 single crochet in the beginning and 2 single crochet at the end. So I'm gonna make like 7 rows, and then I'll come back and show you how to shape it. How to shape it initially to form the rectangle. So here I have done 7 rows of triangle, and then now I'm gonna start shaping. So what I'm gonna do for the next 7 rows, again I'm gonna chain 1, I'm gonna decrease in the first 2 stitches, and I'm gonna increase in the last stitch. So the decrease is insert the hook into the first stitch, pull through, insert the hook into the next stitch, pull through all. That's a decrease. Then single crochet in every stitch, and in the last stitch 2 single crochet, chain 1, and again. So the increase side will always be the increase and the decrease side will always be a decrease for the next 7 rows, as we said. So now we have 7, this is around row 8, 9 now. Again we're gonna do an increase, so 2 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 single crochet in every stitch, and in the last 2 stitches a decrease again, so 1 and 2 and decrease, chain 1, same, we're gonna decrease again, so and at the end of the row again we increase. Just let me show you, this is how it looks. Decrease on one side, increase on one side. So this is number 10. So till row 14. Refer to the written pattern so it helps you more if you get confused. And 2 single crochet in the last stitch, chain 1, two single crochet and 1 single crochet in every stitch, and a decrease in the last 2 stitches. Okay, and here this is how it looks so far. So I have total of 14 rows, 7 rows of the triangle and 7 rows of shaping half of the rectangle. Now we're gonna shape the rest of the rectangle by closing the triangle. So now what I'm gonna do, from next row for the next 7 rows or for the last till the last stitch, I'm gonna decrease in the beginning of the row and at the end of the row for each row. So 2 single crochet together in the beginning of the row and 2 single crochet together at the end of the row. So chain 1, insert the hook and pull through, insert the hook into the second stitch, pull through all. That's the decrease. And continue with a single crochet in every stitch till the last 2 stitches. And a decrease again. Chain 1, we start with a decrease, we continue with single crochet, very easy and nice pattern, simple and nice. and decrease again, chain 1 and a decrease, and single crochet in every stitch, and the last 2 stitches a decrease, chain 1, decrease, and the last 2 stitches, chain 1, decrease, and another decrease, chain 1, and the last decrease, and pull through, and that's it. Our rectangle is made and ready to be used. This is how it looks, and this is another one I did. Corner to corner, single crochet, rectangle. I hope you found the tutorial easy to follow and fun. I hope you'll make your own, and if you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave it in the comment section. The written pattern will be, as always, linked in the description box. Until next time, take care, bye bye.